Hi, Paul Tapier again with you for Auto Parts Warehouse at SEMA 2017 at the Kooks booth, Kooks Headers and Exhaust, of course. And I'm with Chris, and I'm looking at the board, and there's so much here. Mustang, Jeep Wrangler, Toyota Land Cruiser. I'm going to have you kind of walk us through it real quick for all those people at autopartswarehouse.com who have these vehicles and are interested in what you've got.
Beautiful. So what we got here, Paul, the first thing is a Jeep JK Wrangler Axleback and CapEx system. So we created a high-tuck exhaust system that sits very high into the bumper, so you don't got to worry about damaging it when you're rock crawling. It's got these beautiful 4-inch ceramic-coated black tips as an option. Polished tips are also available, but this fits great, sounds great, and is a real value for what you get. We actually are in the, as we talked about before, we export quite a lot of products. So this is one of them. It's a right-hand drive 2015 plus 5.0 liter Mustang specific header. So just for the Australian market, the British market, we have a right-hand drive specific application.
So g'day, mate.
There it is.
Yeah, I love the look of these too.
Yeah, the green cats we utilize in as many systems as possible. It's really the best catalyst in the market. Our great partner, Global Mission Systems, created this for us, and that's our patented logo and trademark, and we've been utilizing these for the last 7 years on high horsepower applications.
Let's walk down to Toyota. Now that you're controlling the mic. He's our new host,
Chris. Here we go, right?
And I don't care. That's great, man.
So we decided we're doing a lot of the truck line, right? So Chevy, Dodge, Ford. We actually have a Nissan Titan. So we said we have to complete it and do the Toyota Tundra and Land Cruiser. So we did a beautiful long tube header, connection points. This system sounds amazing, frees up a ton of horsepower, and has got super long primaries.
That is awesome. What an awesome look you have.
Thank you. And we'll wrap it up over here with kind of a niche product. So releasing this year is an LS Swap JK Wrangler header. So everybody out there with JKs knows they come a little bit underpowered. So the guys are going out there and swapping these crazy V8 LSs in there. So they needed a header and exhaust solution for that, and that's what we created for them.
All right, it's the Chris Clark Show with Paul Tapier as your co-host here at Kooks Headers and Exhaust at SEMA 2017. Check out all their products for your vehicle on autopartswarehouse.com. Thanks, man.
You got to have a great day.
You too.